Hey, I'm Jingles and I'm going to be showing you how to dump your unit after you're done camping. First of all, you come down. This is your sewer hose. You take this end here. This end goes into the sewer itself. This end here connects to your drain. You uncap it, like so. Take this end, put it on there, and just twist. Now you're ready to dump. Now, when you're dumping, what you need to do is dump your black tank first, and you'll be able to know what that is by the handle. The handle's black. You pull that open, and all your black will come on. That's your toilet water. Once it stops going through, you'll see that right here. You close that up, and you come over to your gray, which is your soapy water, your kitchen sink, your shower. You pull that. That'll run through there and clean out everything in your hose. Now, once you're done with that, you can go ahead and close this up. Then you can disconnect. And disconnecting is just like putting it on. You just twist it, pull it off. Make sure you put your cap back on, because you don't want to go driving down the road with your cap dragging. You won't have a cap. After you're done dumping your sewer, then you want to store your sewer hose. You bring them back this way. In the back of your unit, you'll have this little top. Pops right open. This will store right inside here. And then you're all stored up.